Talk is cool and fun, rain or shine or summer sun. Every day we talk this way, learn these lines, then start to say, how's the weather where you are? It's really hot, no clouds so far. Lucky you, it's cold and gray. Bring a coat if you come this way. Is it raining where you live? Just a bit, not much to give. I hope tomorrow will be bright. Yeah, I miss the morning light. Sun or rain, wind or snow, learn these words and let them flow. Talking weather's easy to do. Say it's cold or skies are blue. Do you like it when it rains? Only if it cools the plains. What's your favorite kind of day? Sunny skies with kids at play. Do you check the weather app every morning just like that? Let's go walking if it's clear. Sure, fresh air is always near. Sun or rain, wind or snow, learn these words and let them flow. Talking weather's easy to do. Say it's cold or skies are blue. Say it's hot, say it's cold, cloudy, windy, dry or bold. Talking daily, here and there, when the words are everywhere. Now you've learned just what to say when skies change from day to day. Speak with ease and take your turn. With each word, you'll grow and learn.